Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by signing into my account with your existing credentials. This gives you access to household records. Once logged in, make sure you have your spouse's PPSN and date of birth to hand, because Revenue requires exact matches to avoid duplicate records. You should use a current browser and enable any two-step verification prompts. After that, navigate straight to Manage My Details or the My Family section, so you can add partner information without leaving the account. You'll now enter the spouse's data: full name, PPSN, date of birth, and current address. Revenue matches records strictly, so type exactly. Once entered, specify marital status and the effective date for the change. This determines which tax year the joint assessment or credits apply to. If prompted, select whether you want joint assessment or continue separate filings. Make this choice based on your tax situation. Pause to review every field before submission to prevent processing delays. You finish by confirming all entries, accepting any declarations, and submitting the change. Copy or screenshot the confirmation number for your records. Once done, monitor the correspondence section in my account for confirmation or requests for extra proof. Processing can take several days or longer. If Revenue flags a mismatch, make sure PPSN and names exactly match official records. If problems persist, contact Revenue through my inquiries or by phone and provide your confirmation number to speed resolution.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.